Question number 17. Construct Fisher's ideal index number and show that how it satisfies factor reversal test and time reversal test. Given commodities, price in base year, current year. So how will you mark it? Price in base year, price P, base year not. Price P, current year P1. Number of units, tell me, it is quantity. Quantity in base year Q0. Quantity in current year Q1. Now I want to find out P1 Q0. P1 Q0. Multiply 10 into 50, 2 into 100, 6 into 60, 12 into 50, 12 into 40. The total is 2140. P0 Q0. Multiply these two. 6 into 50, 2 into 100, 4 into 60, 10 into 50, 8 into 40, and the total is 1560. P1 Q1. Multiply these two columns. 10 into 56, 2 into 120, 6 into 60, 12 into 24, 12 into 36. The total 1880. P0 Q1. Multiply first and the last column. 6 into 56, 2 into 120, 4 into 60, 10 into 24, 8 into 36. And the total 1344. Remember to put sigma. Whenever I say total, remember to put sigma. And we know Fisher's index number formula. As we substitute, we get the answer 138.5. Never forget to find the square root. As we substitute, multiply, use your calculator. First multiply the 2. Divide this answer, find the square root and then multiply by 100. Now, we need to show it satisfies time reversal and factor reversal test. How are we going to show that? Time reversal test. What is the formula? We write time reversal test, the given index number as it is. What is the index number? P1 Q0 by P0 Q0. P1 Q1 by P0 Q1. But now I need to write time reversal. What do you mean by time reversal? From this formula, interchange. Interchange what? 1 and 0. So here I call P0 1, whereas here I call P1 0. That is in the formula of Fisher's number. All ones you make 0. All zeros you make 1. So see what comes? P0 Q1 first term. P1 Q1 second term denominator. Here P0 Q0. Here we have written P0 Q0. P1 Q0. As I have written, let me substitute from my table. From my table, P0 Q1 is 1344. P1 Q1 is 1880. P0 Q0 is 1560. And P1 Q0 is 2140. So from the table, as I have substituted, let me multiply. So as I multiply, you can check it is within the square root. Up and down, the terms get cancelled. Finally giving us 1, and that tells Fisher's index number satisfies time reversal test. So time reversal test tells us P01 into P10 should give us 1. The next test, factor reversal test. As I know P01, how to write Q01? Q01 will be Interchanging. See, not one, no change. Which only changes? Instead of P, I have written Q. So, wherever P comes in the formula, you put Q. Wherever Q comes in the formula, let us put P. So, P1, I will write Q1. Q0, I will write P0. P0, I will write Q0. Q0, I will write P0. P1 will become Q1. Q1 will become P1. P0 will become Q0. Q1 will become P1. So, we have just interchanged P and Q in the formula. Now, let us substitute. P01 already we have written here. What is Q01? So, let us see the table. I want Q1 P0. Q1 P0. The answer is 1344 divided by Q0 P0. P0 Q0 or Q0 P0, it is one and the same. P0 Q0. The answer is 1560 into Q1 P1, or I can say P1 Q1. It is 1880 by Q0 P1. Q0 P1 is 2140. Now, let us multiply P01 and Q01. What is P01 from here? 2140, 1880. Denominator 1560, 1344. Q01 from here 1344, 1880 by 1560, 2140. See which term gets cancelled. 1344 cancels, 2140 cancels. We are left with 1880 two times. Denominator 1560 two times. The remaining terms get cancelled. So my answer is 1880 by 1560. According to my table, 1880 is P1 Q1 total and 1560 is P0 Q0 total. So we write this becomes sigma P1 Q1 by sigma P0 Q0. This we call true value ratio. What do you mean by the word true value ratio? Value in the current year, total value. See, current year price, current year quantity we multiply. So it is called total value in the current year. Look at the denominator, base year price, base year quantity. So what will I say? Total value in the base year. So we exactly compare current year to base year, and such ratio we call true value ratio. Whenever I multiply P01 and Q01, if I arrive at true value ratio, I will say that index number satisfies factor reversal test. So we declare Fisher's satisfies factor reversal test. The question is to check how Fisher satisfies time reversal and factor reversal, and we have proved the answer. Question number 19, the same as the previous problem. Calculate Fisher's index number and show that it satisfies time reversal and factor reversal test. The years given are 2016 and 2017. Which year is the base year? See, in the other problems, we were doing 2005, 1995, 2000, 2010. But here, the immediate previous year is taken as the base year. So, taking base year, it may be 5 years back or 10 years back. This we call preceding year, immediate preceding year. So, this is chain base year we say. What do you mean by chain base year? Now, we are in 2020. 2019 will be base year for 2020. If you are in 2021, 2020 will be the base year. Such way we call chain base years. And this is one such example. So we are given 2016 and 2017. Price tells me P. This is base year, so P naught. Quantity tells me Q. Again base year, so Q naught. Price tells me P. 2017 current year, so P1. Quantity is Q. Current year, so Q1. Now that we know the various commodities and the table given, let us multiply. P1 Q naught. P1 Q naught. So point out like this, multiply, find the total. P naught Q naught, these two. So multiply like this way. P1 Q1, keep multiplying these two columns. P naught Q1, these two columns we multiply. So never make mistake. Better to point out which column we are. Slowly do. Don't make mistake. Once you find the total, write it all using sigma stands for total. Fisher's ideal index number, you know the formula. Remember the technique. Sigma throughout. P1 in the numerator, P naught in the denominator. First time I put Q naught up and down. Second time I put Q1 up and down. Multiply by 100. 100 is outside the square root. Now we multiply, we divide, we find square root and then multiply by 100. Our answer is 122.314. We need to show it satisfies time reversal and factor reversal. How are we to show that? For time reversal, let us write the first formula, that is P01. P01, we have substituted the values. Now we have to substitute P10. That is, wherever 0 comes, we are going to put 1, and wherever 1 comes, we are going to put 0. So sigma P1 will become P0, Q0 will become Q1, P0 Q0 will become P1 Q1. P1 Q1 will become P0 Q0. P0 Q1 will become P1 Q0. So what have we done? Wherever 1 comes, I put 0. Wherever 0 comes, I have put 1. Now let us multiply, substituting the terms here. As we substitute the values from the table and multiply P01 and P10, we see the terms get cancelled. We are left with 1. And so we declare Fisher's index number satisfies time reversal test. The next idea, factor reversal test. P01, as from the first table, we have copied the formula and copied the values. How to write Q01? Wherever P comes, you put Q. Wherever Q comes, you put P. So after interchanging, substitute the values, multiply. We will get sigma P1 Q1 by sigma P0 Q0. This tells me Fisher's index number satisfies factor reversal test. Let us recall the formula once again. P01 into P10 should give me 1. P01 into Q01 should give me true value ratio. That is sigma P1 Q1 by sigma P0 Q0. Having verified the two conditions, let us declare Fisher's index number satisfies time reversal test and factor reversal test, and that is the reason why it is called an ideal index number. We are continuing exercise 9.2, cost of living index number. We had already learned the theory. Now we are going to use the two different methods to find C.L.I. C.L.I stands for cost of living index number. The two methods are family budget method and aggregate expenditure method. Family budget method. We have a variety of needs for a family to be run. Every term will not be allotted the same amount. The weightage differs. for food or fuel or clothing or rent or miscellaneous. So, based on the weights allotted, we find out, and that method we call family budget method. Here, we are dealing with two things. One is the price relative. The other one is the weights assigned. Consider the weights as V. Price they used to give P1 and P0 as discussed in the earlier class. But in this problem, they have given directly index number. So consider that row as P, called price relative. V is the weights given in the question. Now that I know P and V, what is family budget method formula? It is sigma PV by sigma V. PV, just multiply 2450 into 48, 1240 into 20, 3250 into 12, 3750 into 15, 4190 into 10. Get the total, substitute in the formula. Sigma PV by sigma V just gives us the answer 2662.38. Remember, whenever we find the total, put sigma and write the answer. Sigma PV 279550, sigma V 105, and cost of living index number is 2662.38. Question number 21. Construct cost of living index number for 2015 on the basis of 2012 using family budget method. Commodities are listed. 2012-2015, two different years are given. Price tells me P. 2012 is base year, so P0. 2015 is current year, so P1. Weights we shall treat as V. We need to calculate something called price relative. That is the relative change in price. Current year price by base year price into 100. P1 by P0 into 100. So 280 by 250 into 100. 85 by 70 into 100. 170 by 150 into 100. 35 by 25 into 100. 90 by 85 into 100. What we calculate is called price relative P. Find out PV. Multiply the two values. 10 into 112, 5 into 121.43, 6 into 113.33, 4 into 140, and 3 into 105.88. Find the total of PV and the total of V. What is cost of living index number by family budget method? It is sigma PV by sigma V. Here we have the total, substitute. As we divide, we get 117.31. What does this mean? Compared to base year 2012, in current year 2015, 17.31% has increased in cost. So the cost of living has increased 17.31% in 2015 as compared to the base year 2012. Question number 22. Calculate the cost of living index number by aggregate expenditure method. Aggregate expenditure method, the formula is sigma P1 Q0 by sigma P0 Q0 into 100. So what are we supposed to mark in the question? P1 current year price, P0 base year price, and Q0 base year quantity. Given a table of values 2010-2015. So this is base year and 2015 is current year. Price tells me P. Base year P0, current year P1. Weights in base year alone given, consider it as Q0. So what is the formula? P1 Q0 by P0 Q0. Find out P1 into Q0 multiplying. Then P0 into Q0 multiply these two columns. Find the total, substitute. We get the answer 132.10. Mustn't forget to put sigma. So it is sigma P1 Q0 by sigma P0 Q0. Once you divide, multiply by 100. This tells me 32.10% has increased in the cost of living from 2010 to the year 2015. Having done index numbers exercise, let us be thorough with, because it's the simplest method, easy to remember and very easy to score marks in the exam.